Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 73. Hyeong. Hyeong. This is pronounced as a one-syllable word. Pronounce it with me. Hyeong. Hyeong. Hyeong is another Korean noun for brother, but this time, this is used by a younger brother or a younger guy to address his older brother. How do you spell Hyeong in Hangul? First, you'll have to draw the Hye character, followed by a Yo character, and followed by an Hyeong character. The combination of these three characters makes up the Hangul for Hyeong. And with that, you've just learned Hyeong. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 63 to 72. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 73, Hyeong. This is another Korean noun for brother, but this is used by a younger brother. Word number 72, oppa, is the other noun for brother. But this is different from Hyeong in such a way that this is used by a younger sister. Word number 71 is omoni, and this is the Korean noun for mother. Word number 70 is abochi, and this is the Korean noun for father. Word number 69 is na중에. This is an adverb of time, which means later. Word number 68 is koda. This is a root verb, which means to walk. Word number 67 is areso, and this is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Word number 66 is alda. This is another root verb, which means to know or understand. Word number 65 is 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Word number 64 is 괜찮아, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. And the last for our review is word number 63, 웃다. This is another root verb, which means to smile or laugh. Congrats for making it this far. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.